Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
So what is up, guys? We're here with another video. Jesus. We're in another video. We got parts for the EM2. EM2. What is it?
It's
Is it a spoiler? A turbo kit? Did I ask? Did I ask?
I wish. Not really.
Okay. See what we got here.
Oh my god. It's empty box.
It's fucking empty, dude. Psych! See how this should look? Oh my god. Dude, fuck the lip. Get the instructions. What? No. It doesn't really look that low.
It doesn't make it look low. I just like it because I can add a splitter right here.
Actually, kind of does make it a little lower.
Makes it a little bit lower.
Nothing crazy, but
Hold on,
it adds. Move the car back and bring a jack.
I don't need no jack. No jack.
Guys, this thing is gonna look so clean with that lip on it. Dude, we gotta take shots with this and that together.
We have to take photos, period.
For real. Wait, your car's too low now?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Not even that low though.
Remember, it's the pinch weld though.
Oh yeah. Do that move one more time. One more time. One more time.
I can't do it.
You fucking. Ooh, Michael Jackson. Alright, you ain't gotta OD it. You don't gotta OD it.
And this is how you install an eBay lip.
Oh yeah, guys, we got it from eBay. It's an eBay lip. I'm having a little trouble right now. Jesus Christ! Yo! Man, if you need your eBay lip installed, call this guy. He'll have it done for you in a jiffy. As he drops the screw.
Oh, yeah. What's that, 10th time?
Go ahead and use 2 hands. Hell yeah, for all the booties.
All the viejas.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What color?
Alright, well guys, that was the eBay lip on the EM2. Right now, I'm currently on hold with, sorry for the burping. I'm on hold with HMO, H Motor Line, well, H Motors Online. And just know I have some big plans coming for the, not the wagon, well later down the road the wagon, but the coupe. I mean, not the coupe, the sedan. I can't even speak right now. It's a coupe.
It's a coupe because the rear doors can't open right now.
Yep. So that's it for today's video. It was something quick. We just wanted to put something up. So keep watching, guys. Well, not keep watching. Well, if you want to keep watching, you can go watch our other videos. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, and subscribe. Get it.